Let me bring in senior national correspondent Brian Enton. He was in the spillover room today watching this process. He's going to have a seat at the actual trial. You made a great point, Brian. Thank you for doing this. That you believe the defense did do something right already, which was moving venue. To where and why do you believe it was a good move?
Yeah, I mean, the jury selection process is moving quickly, Chris. They moved the trial here to Boise. It seems like the jurors here aren't that familiar with it. It's not like what we saw with Murdaugh in South Carolina. A lot of them are saying, oh, I've only heard a little something. I'm not going to be biased. So I think they're going to pick a jury quickly. But you mentioned it. The thing that should surprise me the most was I go inside the courthouse today and Chad Daybell's attorney is sitting there watching everything. So he's clearly got an advantage in all of this. He's going to watch Lori's entire trial, and then he's going to have his second.
Good. Brian Enton, thank you very much. Can't wait for the coverage. We need you even more than usual, which is already comprehensive, because no cameras in the courtroom. So we're really going to have to depend on what this judge allows to release. And lucky for you, you've got somebody who knows how to observe and understand as well as anybody in the business. So we'll get that. So we got the Vallow case, Doomsday Mom, which to me is a really interesting one. And I'll tell you why. From a policy perspective, okay, this is going to play with people's what we call adoptive morality in the law, which is what you expect to be at play in a given situation. Moms don't hurt their kids, okay? But a diseased mind, in Idaho, she doesn't get the defense. She's not going to, but you can always argue that your capacity was diminished. Will a cult change how people feel about what she did, or she says she didn't do it? You know, she said it was somebody else. But
it shouldn't.
But people don't believe a mom would do this to their kids.
What I'm saying to you is,
and they're desperate to excuse them.
If you're telling me a diseased mind,
that's what she'll argue.
She'll argue that. I'm like, okay, well then you need to be locked up for the rest of your life. That's as far as I'm concerned. You killed your own child. Sometimes, and see, this is two of them. And sometimes I think, listen, I'm not going to get apoplectic here, but I will say this. It disgusts me when murder takes place. And I have let's call it what it is, a special thing hits you when you know it's children that have had their lives snatched away from them. And to me, this need to understand, to comprehend, to dissect and decipher what has transpired, what was transpiring in your mind when you did it, is not nearly as important to me as you suffering the consequences for committing such a heinous act.
Now, that's just controversial statement by Stephen Smith. He doesn't like it when kids are killed.
Well, no, but here,
it does something to him.
It does. It does.
You really said it was sad.
It'd be a problem if it didn't.
How about that?
You know, Stephen, you said it was sad about grandma. It's sad. Listen, we talked about grandma. We're now talking about mom. We talked about the dad. What is going on with our generation of parents? We suck. We are killing our kids. Where did we learn this from? I know my parents didn't teach me that this is how you treat your kid. And I cannot I might have some tensions with my teenagers every once in a while, but I will go to the death to save them. What is going on in parents today that is making them go to this type of insanity, this evil?
Fentanyl.
What is...
I'm stuck in the last
one. What is driving us to this?
What do... Netflix? Let's see, watch this. We got a whack job in a doomsday cult who thinks her kids are zombies, so she kills them, buries them in the backyard. I'll watch that.
Hold on, but still takes their life insurance money. There's a difference between...
They do sell them.
They do.
But there's a difference between trying to get clicks and, puppies taking baths and killing your own child, putting them... And I actually believe this is kind of an excuse she's using, because she still continued to collect their life insurance. She collected their
She played some funny money, the allegation is,
money
with the Social Security benefits.
So she's not so insane in this.
Crazy.
She's just evil. Let's call these parents evil. If you are going to take your own child's life that you carried for 9 months, there is something messed up.
And it really comes down to how you want to deal with it.
Her ex-husband died. Her brother, who is also dead, shot the husband, said it was self-defense. The new husband's wife also died abruptly of supposedly illness, but was not old or sick. Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.